How to fix Instagram automatically closes in less than 50 seconds. Yes, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone like this. Scroll, go to the apps manager on your phone, go to the apps. Now this is all the apps that I have on my phone, as you can read right here. Click on Instagram. Now right here click on data usage. Scroll, disabled background data and roaming data. Go back, click on the power usage details. Now on this page it's very important to do one thing. Click on the app launch option and enable this option, manage automatically. Click OK. Go back, click on force stop, click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it guys. Restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.